सो इस क्लास की मैं कोई प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ पर यूज कर रहा हूँ. सो दिस इज एन प्रॉपर्टी लाइक लेट्स से CSB डॉट नेम. तो CSB में मैंने किसी का एक ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया. फाइन, आप सिर्फ इतना रखिए, जब हम क्लास पढ़ेंगे तो मैं आपको पूरा डेफिनेशन दूंगा. सो दिस इज एन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ योर क्लास. वाइल अगर मैं यहाँ पर इस डॉट के आगे कुछ नाम लिखता और उसके आगे मैं ऐसा कोई ब्रैकेट लगाता, सो दिस इज एन फंक्शन. फाइन, दिस इज एन फंक्शन. While I am using only single a dot real, so it reflects the attribute or the property, and while I am using this, it means that this is a function. Fine. So I am using only attribute over here. So what is the value of a dot real? So value of a dot real is for the a. So for the eighth variable, so this is a dot real. So a is 2. So I can get the values of a dot real over here, and I can get the value of a dot imaginary from here. Fine. Any problem till now? No. Fine.
No, sir.
Thank you.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then again, if we want to find the conjugate of complex, so what do you mean by the conjugate of complex? मैंने यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, the real parts remains the same while the imaginary magnitudes remains the same, but we are having some opposite signs. Fine. So let's say what is the complex number we are having. So we are having a complex number is 2 plus 3j, and what is the conjugate of this? So conjugate of this is 2 minus 3j. So how to get it? So a dot conjugate, then I am writing parenthesis over here. So here it means that it is a function that converts your complex number to its conjugate, while these are the properties of your variable. Fine. Okay, then how to find out the magnitude of the complex number? So we have to find the Euclidean distance. So what it means that let's say real number to the power real number का square plus complex number का square का under root. So this is a dot real. I am getting the a dot real square plus a dot imaginary square का under root. So I am just adding 0.5, or I can use 1 by 2. So this is the magnitude. Fine. Is it fine? Any problem till now? No. So this
No,
is,
sir.
okay, fine, thank you. So then how to get the absolute value of something like that? So what do you mean by absolute value? So absolute value is the square of number, then square root of that. I wrote the definition over here. What do you mean by the square root? Sorry, absolute value. So absolute value is the square of number. So square root of number. So absolute of 5 is just 5, because square of 5 is 5. Then the absolute of minus 5 is again 5. Why? Because minus 5 into minus 5 is 25. Then square root of 25 is again 5. So I am getting here 5. Then absolute of 5.2. So 5.2 into 5.2 gives something. So square root of 5.2 into 5.2 is again 5.2. But when we are going the complex number, so absolute of complex number, so it means that it will give the magnitude of your number. Fine. So this is square of a. So square of a means the real square plus imaginary square. Here the real square plus imaginary square whole under root. So this is the definition of my magnitude. So this is absolute of this. A is, this is 3.65. So you get 3.6055 and so on. So here this is absolute is the magnitude of your value. Fine. So you can get by in any language, this is the absolute. So this is a mathematical function. We are not doing anything innovative over here. So now how to get input from the user? So I'll use a simple function that a equals to input. So whatever I am getting from the user, I will assign it to a. So let's run it. Okay, fine. So I am writing a equals to input. So this is my input box available here. So I am writing, let's say 45, and I am pressing enter over here. So I am getting 45. Fine. Okay, then how to give an uh, string value? So a equals to string a, b equals to string b. So you can use either uh, inverted comma, or you can use a single quote, and both we can use as an interchangeably, and it works fine. So again we are having I'm putting a equals to string a, b equals to string b. Let's say I'm putting this as a string b, and then I'm printing string a and string b. So if I want to concatenate, let's say I'll remove, that's I am printing a here, I am printing b here, so it will result in the string a and string b. So both works fine. Either you can use a single quote or inverted comma for both, for string types, fine. Then let's say I want to check the type of a, so I'll check the type of a over here. So what is the type? So it is of type string a. Now I like to add these strings, or I like to concatenate these strings. So you have used already in the sorry, on the C, but we don't have any, require any special function to concatenate this string. So I'll use just an print then a comma b. So it will result string A and string b. So this is just a concatenation of your string, fine. Okay, now again I am putting, again I'm, let's say I'm again putting a value, let's say a equals to 1, and checking the type of a. What will be the result of this?
Integer, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is the integer,
Integer.
and the return type of this a is string. Why it is so?
Sir,
Because it is
because
in
it's loaded
quote,
in inverted
it's
comma.
called
Sir, because it's a
So it is
one
inverted.
single person, single person. कोई एक बोलो, हरेंद्र.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये वन स्ट्रिंग टाइप क्यों आ रहा है?
एक मिनट सर एक्चुअली हेलो
उसको इन्वर्टेड कॉमा में लिखा इसलिए.
Yeah, we have passed it into the inverted quote. So this is an string type. This is not an integer type. Fine. So be cautious for this. Then let's say let's say I like to convert this a. So it appears that it is an integer. So when we assume that this is an integer, so we can convert it into integer. So how to convert it into integer? Let's say convert into integer of sorry, pass it into an integer function. So I'm passing this a into integer function, and then I'm checking the type. So again, this is a type of integer over here. Now let's say uh, instead I try to convert, let's say uh, 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 let's say again a equals to let's say b, then uh, convert into type of uh, integer of a. What will be the result?
Sir,
What will be
integer.
the result? Integer.
Integer.
Yes.
It is error. Why? Because this a, sorry, why? Because this b is not converted, we cannot convert this b into integer, fine. So this one can be converted into the one integer one, but we cannot convert this b into an integer b, sorry, any integer. So this is an error. So we have invalid literal for the integer, fine. Now
Yes,
if
sir.
I am having this a, again I am running this a, and I can use it when I can convert this a into again 1. So I am having the output, this is integer 2. Then if I like to convert this 1.0 again, let's say this 1.0 is an float point. So this float I am using it as an a string. Then I like to convert it into integer. So it is invalid, because it assumes that this is a sentence, and this sentence cannot be converted into integer because we are having some dot. So we can a valid integer that is being represented as an integer, we can convert it into integer, but any string type or any floating type, we cannot, if it is defined as a string, we cannot convert it into integer. Fine. Any problem till now? No.
No, sir.
Okay, fine, thank you. So I think I'm running out of time. So मेरी next class कितनी बजे से है हमारी? Like 2:30 से next class है आपकी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so we
sir.
have, yeah,
Yes,
we
sir.
can have 2 minutes or again here. So let's say I like to define a function. Don't go for many complications. I'm just having some function, so I can define this as a function. So when defining a function, I can write my function over here. This is my function. This is my function name, and this is the definition that I have to use a special keyword like def for defining function and some integer, some data type that I want to pass it. And now from here I am just passing my values. So this is my function. So let it be. मुझको function आपको define करने पड़ेंगे. Okay, so we'll start by tomorrow. So be in the meeting. I have to take my attendance from there. So we are in 23, only 53 students now. Okay, wait, I have to attendance. Today is 27. 27. So till now, any problem?
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
No,
thank
sir.
you. Thank you. Thank you. You can leave.
No, sir.
You can leave.
Thank you, sir.
No, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.